Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ginger lemon pickle. First, gather your fresh ingredients and ensure they are perfectly clean and dry. You'll need about 250 grams of ginger and 4 to 5 medium lemons. Preparing them properly is key to a delicious pickle. We'll cover everything from preparation to storage, ensuring a flavorful result. Let's get started with the initial steps. Now let's prepare our main ingredients. Carefully peel and finely julienne about 250 grams of fresh ginger. Next, wash and thinly slice 4 to 5 medium-sized lemons. It's crucial to remove all the seeds from the lemon slices, as they can introduce a bitter taste to your pickle. This step ensures a smooth and pleasant flavor. With your ginger and lemons ready, it's time to combine them. Place the prepared ginger and lemon slices into a large, clean bowl. Now, add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix these ingredients thoroughly, ensuring that the spices are evenly distributed throughout the ginger and lemon. This initial seasoning is vital for the pickle's flavor development. Finally, transfer your ginger-lemon mixture into a sterilized glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. For the best flavor, allow the pickle to mature in direct sunlight for about 7 to 10 days. Remember to shake the jar daily. This helps to evenly distribute the juices and spices, and it also prevents any mold from forming. Enjoy your homemade pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.